So hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of the Killerbody Ironman 3 KB2000B3, which is the one up from the complete set. So this is the one without all the bells and whistles. So this is the one that comes with just the Arc Reactor, the helmet light, and the repulsors, and also the automatic. I've just undone the outside box. I haven't undone anything else. So let's go in with the unboxing from the Ironman life-sized high-end replica costume set. So we have the cover here. That comes there. So we got a instruction manual here, which I guess has all of the different types of armor. It's a pretty thick book too. Cool, so we'll get back to that in a minute. Okay, so let's dive right in here and just have a quick look what we have. Looks like we've got the front chest piece and also the back of the chest piece there. Let's just go ahead and don't want to make you guys too dizzy. So, right, okay. So here we go. I think we got this plastic film protecting the top here. So I do believe this is very well padded here. It's very, very nice here. That's very nice. So we're gonna switch here for the Arc Reactor. It's pretty interesting. That's the front piece. I guess this is the back piece here. This is the back piece. And because obviously this one doesn't have all the servos, but I guess it still all opens up. So, and it looks like you can actually mount your servo there actually. So it looks like this kit is actually upgradable. It has your clips here, so you can clip all the parts together. So that's your front and back part there. So we've got these are the shorts. Yeah, these are definitely the shorts. So these are going to go on your waist area. Very classy, I must say. Alright, so we got a battery here. I believe this will be for the helmet. Okay, so here we have, by the looks of it, the shoulder pads. Yeah, leg soft rubber joint. So that's going to go here to resemble the metal work, I guess. So we have it here. Okay, we have the waist. So this is made from like a PV. I guess it's kind of like a rubber kind of waist that you've got there, which looks pretty interesting. Now we have a shoe. And it looks like they've got different levels here, so you can raise your height. That's great. Oh, we have a glove again with the protective rubber. It's now here. Please remove this. Aha, so look, we have a compartment here behind the glove, which activates the repulsor. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Let's just try it on for a fit. Oh, it's a bit tight, but yeah, it's definitely a bit tight. But there we go, it's on. That's very tough to move your fingers there, but I guess that's gonna loosen up over time. So that's the glove. Awesome stuff. Aha, so here we go. Now here is the helmet, guys. There's the helmet. Very nice indeed. Okay, we'll pop the helmet just down here. Okay, so let's just dig deeper into here. Okay, so it looks like we have a shoulder piece again. Left arm is, again, you can see that this is just protective film right here, so this all comes off, so it's actually very well protected. Okay, here we have a left arm. I don't know what this is here. Special glue and accessories bag that was inside the arm here. So let's just see what we have here. So we can take this out. I don't know if that actually comes out, to be honest. That might look like that's in there. Yeah, I think that's in there permanently, that one. I'm entirely sure. Yeah. No, it doesn't seem to be. So this seems like it can remove, I think. Oh, we're going to have a look at that again later on, because I don't want to go and pull that apart for that not to come out. So, yep, there's an arm piece. Looks like we have a left thigh. Again, it has these fasteners here, so when you actually attach all of the, see, this is just all plastic here. This isn't rough edges. This is when I saw the photo before they sent it to me, I really thought it was rough edges, but it's not. It's really clean. So that's another thigh. Okay, what do we have here? We have another right thigh, and I guess inside again we have more suit here. This looks like another right arm piece. That's nice. So we have another right arm. Right there, again, I don't know if that is supposed to come out, but I don't want to remove it to find out. So we got a shoulder pad, a shoulder, yep, so it's definitely like a shoulder for your shoulder. Again, this has got some nice padding inside. This is actually very nice and soft. It's got your clips. You can see it's been pop riveted in there, so it's very good quality. Again, we've got the protective film on it. So you're gonna have no worries with scratches when you get this. I'm not entirely sure how long afterwards it's gonna have scratches, but okay, alright, so now it's the neck piece. Now a lot of people message me about this part. So yeah, this looks pretty tall. Looks like it's actually gonna, yeah, it looks like it's actually really gonna I don't know if you can see that. It's actually quite high, so that's good. So it should cover the back of the neck. There's a lot of people were asking me about that, and that's actually made from another soft material. It's got a very funky smell to it, but you know, it's what most things do have when they're new. Right, so we've got another leg here. Let's check this out. It's another leg, and that looks like another shoe. Yep, that is indeed another shoe. Oh yeah, that's another shoe. Look at that. Another shoe. Again with the foam insert, so I guess you can change the height of your shoe depending on your size. Fantastic. That's the other leg. It's the left shank. It's like we've got some and we've got a little bit of wardrobe monk function there. There's like something that a little bit of sticking can fix on that. What do we have here? Oh, we have another shoulder piece. Another shoulder piece just here. There you go. Again, this looks really well structured here. Nice. It does look very dark on camera, but that's just because I haven't removed the protective film. There's another leg. Again, we can remove this, and you can get a really nice gloss underneath. You see, look at that. That's really something else, that, isn't it? Oh yeah, and also the shank lifts up too, so it gives more detailing underneath. So yeah, there's another shank. What do we have in here? Oh, okay, we have it's like the torso. This is made from, again, the same material as the neck piece, and it's got some magic Velcro here, which looks a little bit sticky. I guess that's going to be your front part, which attaches to the front. What else do we have here? Well, we have another glove. It's pretty cool. We'll come back to the glove and helmet in a minute. Okay, we've got the shoulder soft rubber joint. So this is what's going to go on your shoulders to mask the gaps when you move your arms. So let's just check that quickly. It's gonna go on there, as you can see, and that will connect to the other piece. Very nice. Again, has a very funky smell to it, which is most common for the plastic rubber. So there's another one in there. Right. More plastic bags here. What do we have here? Okay, so this is the last few pieces. So we have the upper body and nylon strap. So this is what I guess you put on after you put on your tights. Now I guess this is kind of like a all-in-one piece jumpsuit, morph suit. So you'd wear that first, and I guess then your upper body strap will go on, and then you would take towards the instructions here, which come provided, so you can see pretty much how it goes together. So you have the tights, then the shorts, then the strap, then the waist, then the thigh. Looks like you've got a lot of magic Velcro sticking to do here, so it does look quite complicated to put together. Okay, this manual is pretty hefty. I guess that's all the controls and everything. So that's a pretty thick read right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all that came in the box there. I will probably do another video of suiting up, and I'll do another video of each individual part. I just wanted to demonstrate the helmet. Now, one of the gloves has the switch inside for the helmet. The other one is just constantly on. So inside this glove, there is a button that when you push your palm, it will activate the helmet. Like so. So, let's just put this glove on. Like so. It's a bit of a tough one. And then we just click the button. Hold on. Okay, let's just, I think it's low back, but we just click the button. Button is here inside to open and close the helmet. So that is the unboxing of the Killerbody KB00003 from Killerbody, the Ironman Mark. Yeah, this is the Mark VII. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe.